It's special for us to be able to produce such a beautiful car.
I see some Formentor in the assembly line, so tell us, where are you standing now?
Well, I'm here at Workshop 10, where the main parts of the vehicle are assembled. The car comes out of this hall ready for the final check before, as we like to say, leaving Martorell to the world. I'm standing next to the production line 2, where the Formentor is currently being built.
From Martorell to the world, I like that one. And with the Formentor, you're adding a new model to the production line. So how did you manage to do it?
Yes, this model is based on the new EQB Evo platform. It is shared with the Seat Leon family. We leverage Volkswagen Group technologies and its modular platforms to produce different models on the same line and scale up our production. But in this case, we had to adapt our logistics to the production needs of such a special car. This car takes close to 2 hours more to produce than the rest of the models in the same line, with its higher number of technological and design features.
I imagine that's a lot of cars. How many Formentors are you able to produce?
I know, I'm sorry to tell you that we usually don't disclose production forecasts. But in any case, and for you to take it as a reference, this week we are manufacturing 160 Formentors every day. The daily rate will grow as soon as more engines are brought into production.
Big numbers. I see the staff working behind you. How many people does it take to produce the Formentor?
We have 3 dedicated shifts on the production line 2 with 3,000 staff working on it. The CUPRA Formentor production also requires the participation of more than 400 suppliers. All in all, the CUPRA Formentor represents more than 1.5 million additional working hours for Martorell and its workforce.
And I think the CUPRA Formentor, with a range of engines, with 7 engines, from a diesel, a petrol, plug-in hybrid, and the 310 horsepower version we're launching today, I think a huge range of product that will give us a great volume potential in the future.
Something you've always said also is that you want CUPRA to be a global brand. So what is the role of the CUPRA Formentor in your international expansion?
I think CUPRA Formentor, first of all, will help us gain more relevance in Europe. Seat has already become the fastest growing brand in Europe with a market share of around 3%. I think now with CUPRA and the volume basis that CUPRA Formentor will give to the CUPRA brand will help us make us even more relevant and stronger as a player in Europe, but will also help us extend outside of Europe. And I don't know if you know, last year we started an extension plan in South America, in Colombia and Chile. And I think not only there will it help us become stronger, but also help us perhaps enter into markets with CUPRA, where up to now with Seat there was no business case or it didn't make sense.